Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Ariba Drawing Tutorials. I am drawing a simple beginner's easier scenery. So take out your pencil and paper and let's draw. I am using here a 6 HP pencil. You can use a you can use a normal typical pencil or whatever you are comfortable with. You can use a pointer also or a marker. I am here drawing a curvy line and then drawing a house over it. Now after drawing the house and drawing some windows and door in it, I'm drawing the rest of the scenery, drawing some trees on the left and right side. Don't forget to comment on my video and never forget to subscribe to my channel. Keep watching and visit my channel.